I got a question from one of my clients the other day asking whether or not posting on your Google My Business page helps SEO. So my quick answer is yes, it definitely does. And in this video, I'm going to show you why and how it helps. So regular website SEO, as we know, is SEO for websites, not for your Google My Business page, but for websites. So when you want to have your website ranked, you want to be getting links to it, having it mentioned everywhere online, doing bookmarking, doing marketing for that website. So basically doing all the necessary SEO work in order to get that website ranked. Now let's open just one page for this company and let's go to the update section. As we can see, they have been posting frequently in March and April of 2003. And what we can see here is every post of theirs is linking to their website. They are simply adding a photo, adding a few words for description, and then linking to their website. Now, they are linking to their website from their Google My Business page. So Google My Business is already a very high authority site. And you basically doing it this way, getting a very strong link to your website from your Google My Business page. So this is very important and it does help in a big way. And posting on your Google My Business page does in fact most definitely help with website SEO for this reason. Now, if you also want to be getting good results for your Google My Business page and not just your website regular SEO, get in touch with me, send me your GMB link. I will be happy to take a look and see if and how I could help you get more business from your GMB page. Thanks for watching. Talk soon.